In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic investments with Vanguard ETFs. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign in or log into Vanguard, and then from your dashboard, you want to click on Transact up here. You can just hover over that, and then over here, the third option is Automatic Investments. So this is what you want to click on. After you do that, you'll see Automatic Investments over here, this screen, and you have the option of Recurring Investments. What you have to do is click on Vanguard ETFs, schedule recurring purchases over here. This will basically allow you to set up automatic investments with Vanguard ETFs. Once you click on that, you'll be directed to this page over here, which says automatic ETF investments. And then you first have to select your account. So just select one of your accounts, whichever one you want to use. And then you'll have to set a schedule. So it can either be monthly or I think weekly or every 2 weeks. So you can just click over here. It will open up a drop down menu and then you can just select whichever frequency you would like. Then you can select the start date whenever you would like this to start happening. So for example, you can do it on the day that you are doing this, or for example, after 1 week, 2 days, whatever you want to do. This part is up to you. Then you can give it an end date if you want to, so you can give it as none. So if you don't want an end date, and if you want this to keep continuing until you cancel it, leave it at none. But then if you want it to end on a specific date, just click on custom over here and set the custom date. Now over here, you'll then have to choose the funds to buy, and to be able to actually see the funds over here, a list will open up, but it will be the list of the current funds that you are, the current ETFs you have shares of. So you'll have to buy at least one share of an ETF to be able to basically set up this recurring investment. And after you do have at least one share, it will show up over here in the list. You'll see a big list. Over here in my case, I have this one, which is Vanguard Total INTL Stock Index Fund ETF. So this one. And then you simply want to type in how much you would like to purchase over here. So for example, $100 or something like that. You can do more, you can do less. Of course, this is completely up to you. And then you'll see the total amount over here. After you're happy, at the bottom left, you'll see this button which says Preview Order, and then you'll see a preview on your screen. If everything looks correct and everything is the way you want it to be, you'll then see on the right of your screen, it will say by selecting Agree and Submit, and then you can read all that, and after you agree with everything and everything is fine, click on Agree and Submit down here, and after you do that, you should see this message on your screen. Your automatic investment plan is submitted, and you'll get the confirmation number over here as well, and this means you've successfully done it and you've set up automatic investments with Vanguard ETFs. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.